Ay, puta
What's up,
sa.
guys? So, 3-1 ngayon yung Lakers, no?
Oh,
Hindi yung
based
Lakers
on
yung up, sila yung down. Minnesota Timberwolves.
this ain't the script, guys. Come on.
Tinapon nila yung screen, nagpalit. Pero si Adam Silver, di rin
Ad-lib.
niya alam.
Ad-lib. God damn.
So, napanood mo yung game kanina? Kamusta?
Pero
Like,
tingin
what
kanina,
did
bro.
you observe during the Timberwolves and Lakers game? Hindi na, well,
Actually,
first of all, hindi nag-sub si JJ Redick, no? Buong second half.
hindi.
Yeah, anyway, go, Manong. Hindi ko
I
na
mean,
na-realize ako nga.
it is what it is. I mean, if that was the team that actually gave you the lead, might as well, di ba? Parang ganun.
Okay. Pero risky
So,
move, di ba? May 40-year-old ka dyan, eh.
well, I mean, LeBron before was saying na, he doesn't believe in the minutes restriction, di ba? Parang
Okay,
when
yeah, yeah. Oh.
Darvin Ham was coaching, di ba? Hindi siya naniniwala sa ganun. And
Oh,
again, it's the playoffs already, like 40, 30, 25 years old, di ba? Pag
whatever,
nandun yung
parang ganun.
opportunity na yun, hindi mo na masasabi. Pero, like what you said, what I've observed, I woke up early this morning,
Mm.
parang na-control naman ng Lakers bro yung laro.
Yeah,
For me,
they
Oo,
had
for
the
me.
lead, di ba? Majority of
Oo,
the time.
parang umabot pa ng, I would say, what,
Yeah, they
9
were leading
points? Di ba?
nine
9,
ten
10
nine
points
ten
pa yung
point
lamang
lead.
nila. Tama na
Mm.
tama, di ba? But again, it's the playoffs. Minnesota find a way, clawed their way back. And I think the breaks of the game went to Minnesota. I think. Yeah. That was the thing. That was the biggest thing. Towards the end, Lakers tried to come back with some big shots. A big three from Rui, a big three from AR and
DFS din, di ba?
DFS. But Minnesota made the plays in the end where it mattered. And yun nga, like what I said, yung breaks dun dulo napunta sa Minnesota.
And talaga eh, Anthony Edwards, in a way, showing out game niya, eh, no? I mean, last year,
Yeah, that was
pinakita
the
niya
coming
against
out
Phoenix
party
yun,
of
eh.
this
Pero sobrang coming
series.
out yan of this series
Oh,
naman.
of this series, yeah, yun. Pero like for example ako, I mean, if there's just one takeaway, I would say, and this
Mm.
is my hot take.
Oh, sige.
Uh,
Ano,
I
Lakers in
feel like,
7? Yun ba yung hot take mo?
hindi, well, bukod sa
Okay,
Lakers
bukod
in
doon. Yun yung
7.
pangalawa. So, okay, na-spoil ko na yung pangalawa.
Pero I feel like, this is just my opinion, I
Okay.
feel like the challenge rule has to be a little bit more specific.
Okay. How so? What do you mean by
Because
has
the
to be
last
more?
play, 'di ba? The last play of Anthony Edwards,
Hmm.
the last play,
Hmm.
Minnesota basically challenged the possession.
Okay.
'Di ba? Kasi ano na, drive si DiVincenzo, pass to Ant-Man, stripped
Hmm.
by LeBron, bola ng LA. 'Di ba? That's what happened.
Hmm.
So, timeout LA, challenge si Minnesota. No, it's our possession, our possession.
Okay.
Pero ang nakita ng referee, yung foul.
Okay. So, iba yung dapat 'di ba? Kung ano yung pina-challenge mo, yun lang.
That's what I'm saying. That's
Ah,
yun yung sinasabi ko. Pero 'di ba gets mo yung point ko? Parang
gets. Gets.
ang china-challenge nyo is the possession. No, it's our ball. 'Di ba? Kung challenge ka na ref, there was a foul. There was a
Yun,
foul.
sige. Gets mo. Okay.
Okay, no problem. All right. Baka no call, 'di ba? No call pero challenge mo, no, foul 'yan. 'Di ba? Pero I don't know, maybe it's just me. It's a little bit unfair na bigla kang tatawag ng foul and the foul was neglected or hindi naman siya natawag during the possession, especially if it's a challenge. Parang lugi yun eh. Let's say for example, nagbababa ka ng bola, na dribble mo sa paa mo, pero tinawag pa rin bola nyo. Nung
Hmm.
challenge, ginanon mo yung nakita na nag-ward off
Offensive foul
ka,
pala
bigla
bigla.
ka tinawag na offensive foul. Parang ganun, di ba? Parang similar situation siya na ganun. And I think it could be an example na it can actually lose you games or win you games when it comes to that.
Actually, okay.
'Di ba? Parang ako yun yun. If the challenge rule becomes a little bit more specific, yun lang yung titingnan. 'Di ba? Kasi wala na, hindi na natawag na foul eh. Plus, ang nangyari pa doon, Lakers called the timeout. Um, no, and then Minnesota calls a challenge within 30 seconds. I think that's an NBA rule.
Mm.
Uh, all of a sudden, Lakers runs out of timeout, and then Ant-Man shoots two free throws.
Just like that, they
Ngayon,
had the lead.
full court inbound ngayon.
Oh.
'Di ba? Instead na matawid mo sa half court kasi wala ka ng timeout eh. 'Di ba? So,
Nakita mo ba yung reaction ni LeBron when he was called for a foul? Alam ko parang sobrang na ano siya, diba? Parang what the
actually
hell?
parang gumiwi
Parang,
lang siya na parang
parang, sige,
kasi
parang
bakit kasi yun nga eh bakit foul ang biglang tinawag eh ang challenge nyo was the possession, 'di ba? So, well, again, perfecto tayo pag hindsight na eh. It's always
oo, syempre,
2020
oo.
tapos na yun, 'di
Kesa yung
ba?
in the moment.
Oo, wala tayong masasabi diyan. Ganyan na talaga yan. But I guess with the Lakers, they had the lead. Minnesota wanted it more.
Mm.
And if there's one team that could actually come back from a 3-1 deficit, it's a team with LeBron James, just because he's done it. So,
In
and you
terms
had
of
Luka
players,
Doncic.
yeah, may Luka ka pa na wala na sigurong stomach bug.
Oo.
So, but in terms of players na you felt like they should have played this guy more, they should have rested this guy a bit more. Meron ka bang ganun kanina napansin? Or okay ka naman dun sa five na hindi siya popular. It was not a popular move kasi parang nakikita ko siya sa Facebook o nakikita ko sa sa Twitter about how people didn't like na that five didn't get
I
subbed.
mean, who?
So yun dun rin. For you parang sino ba mapapalit
Nasa
mo
ako
ganun?
iniisip ko din eh. Sino pa ba? Jackson Hayes played like 4 minutes, 5 minutes.
Oh, konti lang ah.
Ah,
Sino pa ba? Si ano? Si Gabe Vincent. What do you think?
probably
A Gabe Vincent could have
probably
helped
he's the
out?
most probably. It depends kasi. Ah, kaya si Jackson Hayes feeling ko hindi nakakapaglaro sa end game more specifically because of the defensive scheme of LA.
Oo.
Kaya rin naman hindi nakakapaglaro si Gobert sa end game because they want to double Luka from the ball and then rotate and scramble. If you have a Gobert and you have a Jackson Hayes, they're just gonna be parked in the paint.
Mm.
Mahihirapan mag-recover. Somebody has to double time on reaching out to the corner or closing out to a Naz Reid, for example. 'Di ba? When it comes to Gabe Vincent naman, actually yun could have been. Pero kasi for me, I want Gabe Vincent, probably. But who will you sub out?
Yeah, 'di ba? It's either
Yun din eh. Yun din sa akin eh. Maintindihan ko yung Jackson Hayes sa yung Gobert. Pwede mong, pagdating sa, ano, second, third quarter, pahingahin mo muna si AR, Luka. Pwede mo ipasok si Goodwin. Di
actually yung
ba?
ano si Goodwin
Si,
for defense, yung keep the
oh,
lead, 'di ba?
defense. Maybe,
Nawala yung
maybe Dalton, maybe 3 to 5 minutes. If he makes threes, maybe another 2, 3 minutes. We'll see. 'Di ba? Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari doon. But I think I wouldn't want it any other way na yun na rin yung nagtapos. 'Di ba? So, wala din eh. Butas din talaga kasi.
How do we see game 6? Wait, not game 6. How do we see game 5 happening?
Back in LA,
Back in LA.
uh, I think it's gonna be physical.
Mm.
LeBron was bad with the elbow that Rudy Gobert threw.
Gino sa likod, pero
Pero,
mukha bang intentional or feel ko just matangkad lang siya? Feel mo just
hindi
si
bro,
stop.
bro, iba yung kutos eh. Kinutusan eh.
Iba yung kutos,
Iba
like
yung
sa replay.
may diin na ganun eh, di ba? Iba
Hindi
yung
yung parang nakagano na ano lang.
Oo, iba eh. Kasi kung nakapatong lang naman yan na tinitigasan mo lang, hindi naman din titilapon si Lebron eh. Pero
So may
kinutusan niya
konting
din talaga.
intention. May konting
Oo,
intention
meron.
na gago ka pa.
Ganun talaga, ganun talaga. So, it's gonna be physical. I think Ant-Man and LeBron, Ant-Man standing his ground. He's seen it in social media, replays, or wherever
Ginawa niya kay
kung
KD
saan,
yan last season.
kung
Ginawa
saan
niya
nyo
kay
man
KD, di ba?
napanood yan, di ba? Not backing down. So, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be physical. I still believe in my late show. So,
May ano pa, like may buhay pa. Hindi yung tipong
kumikikig
na
pa yan. Kumikikig pa yan.
so hindi pa all hope is lost na parang wala silang magawa dito.
Hindi.
Okay.
I don't think so, yeah.
Non-biased take, no?
Non-biased. I mean, just because of the trend on how the games are going, I think
Na
game
they
one
were
was the
right
only
there.
lopsided
Yeah.
one, di ba?
Actually, yeah. Yung tambak na tambak talaga
Diba? Yun
sila.
lang, yun lang naman. And then, second, they almost let it slip away. Third, we watched it, Minnesota controlling the game, but it wasn't a blowout. And then this game. So, just by trend, it's going to be a good game, a good fight, and hopefully LA can just pull it out and, close one finally.